Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar. So this one is going to be a very short and quick video. So, here we will see how we can suppress the BP warning. So if you see currently, I'm getting these BP warnings. So the first one is this one. So in my runnable class, I haven't provided any XML documentation at line number 1, which simply means that if I open this here in my line number 1, I haven't provided any XML documentation. As you know, like it is very clear that it is already a class. So if in case I want to suppress this BP warning, so here I will need to do a simple step here. I can simply say here I will put square brackets attribute. I will say suppress BP warning. Then I will open my braces. Here I need to provide my string. So first thing is that let's copy these three BP warning. We'll copy. I'm going to paste it into my notepad. Let me enlarge the font and convert it to. So we'll focus on this one first. So this is my BP warning, right? So I will put this. I will close this. Here I will provide my justification. I will say this is already a class, self-explanatory, like whatever the reason, like why I'm not specifying. So I can write here and I can close this. As soon as I will save it, now you can see this BP warning is wiped out. Similarly, if you can see in my form, it is showing that when you go to your form, so my form is this, right? And here it is saying that I haven't specified any caption. So basically it is saying that let me go to this table and let me copy the label from here. I will copy this, and if I will go to my now this form, and now if I will paste it here, now this BP should also be wiped out. So if you see here, now this BP warning is also wiped out. So usually, like when we are working projects, for sure we'll use this label ID only, but I just want to show you how we can eliminate the BP warnings. Now similarly, if you see my menu item, we go here. Here I haven't specified any security privilege. Okay, so let me remove this one as well. So here what I will do, I will create here is my security. Let me create a privilege. Let me say this as SC cust group maintain. I'll click on add, and as soon as I will drag my this display menu item here, and let me save this now. So you see this BP warning is also eliminated. Now again, like I added this here, again I need to set a lot of properties. For example, I think the first one is maybe a label here. So what I will do, I will simply copy any random label. So I just want to show you. Okay, also the maintenance spelling is also wrong here, but you can ignore this. I will save this label, and then let me come here. Here we haven't specified this level. I will say delete. Okay, now again I will need to create a duty. So like this list will keep going on. So while working in a project, it is very important that we should suppress our BP warning, or else we should provide comments and everything. So usually If you want to do, suppress your BP warning in code, you can do it in this way. Simply provide the attribute, provide a justification here, or else when you have BP warnings in your either in your form, table, anywhere, then you can fix accordingly. You simply will need to go to that place and simply you can wipe out. Thanks for watching this video.